I'm conflicted.
Bakit?
Tropical is such a classic fast food chain in the Philippines. And for a time, it was very struggling. And then, I don't know if you guys remember, there was like this whole
There's
campaign
whole campaign
to
na
revive Tropical Hut during the pandemic, I think.
parang after.
After the pandemic. Basta during that time. And kasi parang palugi na, whatever. But,
They revived it.
yeah,
They
na-revive
survived.
naman. Revive naman.
They
But like,
survived.
look at it. Just look at it for what it is. It's not good. Why am I paying like almost 200 pesos for rice and lumpia? Lumpiang Shanghai. Let's look up the prices of Tropical Hut.
Parang ano kasi, sila yung isa sa fast food na never na nag-change or like, basta parang never na silang nag-adapt to,
Yeah.
never na na-upgrade yung menu nila.
Guys, look at it Imagine, yung clubhouse sandwich na yan. Hindi ka mabubusog dyan. It's 181. Yung tropical cheeseburger na yan, na maliit lang, parang siyang minute burger
But,
type of burger. 108.
yeah, and yung most recent time na nag-tropical hot ako was, I think, last year. Dito sa may riverbanks. Tapos, ang in-order namin nun ay breakfast. Imagine yung pure foods na corned beef and rice na sinangag. Magkano? 200 something.
Oo. At, is it a branch thing?
Siguro, pero
Kasi
kasi,
tingnan mo.
pero kasi,
Tingnan mo yung Food Panda.
hear me out.
Yeah, I know.
Dati kasi, I mean, di naman ako laking tropical, but, ang nakakain, ay, ang natitikman ko kasi sa tropical before ay yung burger nila. Masarap yung burger nila before. And I don't know now, kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry ulit. But, ayun nga, parang if may something sulit sa kanila, based on my experiences before, it's going to be their burgers. As in yung yung special burger nila before. Not that regular burger. Yung naka-foil.
Oo. I'm conflicted.
Masarap yan eh. Pero, ayun nga.
It could be a branch thing.
Ayun nga, ano kasi siya, as in, if you look at it and yung food offerings nila, based on their prices, masyado siyang mahal.
Oo.
Siguro kasi it's a fast food that banks mostly upon nostalgia.
No, saka, ano yung theory natin before? Kaya medyo mahal sa Tropical Hut for what they're giving you. Okay, ito yung theory namin. Look at Tropical Hut, look at the people eating there, especially in the morning. Always the senior citizens.
Yeah,
At least,
nostalgic.
even, not just in our place
Oo, laging
in
seniors.
other branches, ganun din. Parang laging seniors yung target market. So, ang theory namin, it could be them compensating for the for the senior citizen discounts.
Oo.
Yun yung theory namin.
Yeah.
There's no, we're not saying it's the truth, but
kasi yung demographic
theory
talaga
lang.
yung demographic talaga ng nilang customers nila. It's always has been geared towards older people.
Totoo. So,
para siyang go-to place, parang pagkatapos sila mag-walking sa umaga, ganun. Or like, makikita sila mga amiga, ganyan. Tropical. Kasi alam ko may ano din sila. Alam ko may free coffee din kasi sila doon.
Ano yung coffee?
Oh?
Only?
Ayun.
Okay. So, where are we putting it?
For me, I'm gonna put it in May.
Nah. I'm gonna put it in bad.
Tropical. Go. Either way, hindi siya, if kakain man ako sa tropical, malamang niyaya ako mag-tropical.
I think it's bad. Sorry guys. If you're a Tropical Hut.
I mean, good for tropical na nag-survive sila.